This model is worthless. It scores 0.972. That would pass any review you put it through. It is worthless because one of its columns records which lifeboat each passenger was put into. The model never predicted who survived. It read the answer off the page. This is not a rare mistake. Researchers went looking and found it in 294 papers across 17 fields. A model trained on data it won't have at prediction time isn't predicting anything. So ask a language model. Give it the column names, ask which ones leak, take the answer. That was my first version. It is right most of the time. The trouble is you cannot tell which times. Shuffle the column order and ask again. The answer moves. On some models, it moves by nearly 4/10 of an F1 point. One call gives you one draw and no idea how far away it could have landed, and nothing outside the model has looked. On the Titanic table, the lifeboat column correlates 0.013 with survival. The one column a correlation filter throws out is sex, a perfectly good feature. Wrong twice, in opposite directions. That is useful, but only if something is there to disagree with it. So the second prompt asks a different question, of a different source. Not the model's memory, the dataset's own documentation. Does the source say this value exists before the prediction is made? You can watch that happen. On a student dropout table, the same question asked 3 times came back differently on 4 columns. One pass said units credited in the first semester are earned during the term. Another said they are transfer credits granted on enrollment day. Read the documentation and neither is wrong. It does not say. So nothing settled it. All 4 went to a person with both arguments printed. Nothing is removed unless a human says so. 4 tables, 68 columns, 10 leaks in the dropout data, and 4 it refused to decide. 1 in a cirrhosis study, 2 in Titanic, and in a census income table, nothing at all because there is nothing there. Nothing missed, nothing falsely accused. On Titanic, 0.972 fell to 0.797. 35 mistakes became 252. Anyone can ask a model once. This is what it takes to trust the answer.